Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of sorts. I do the air quotes and say of sorts because it's not really a box. It's it's more of an envelope. So anyway, so today I am doing the Earfleek subscription box. Well, subscription, not box. So if you haven't heard of Earfleek, it's a monthly subscription where they send you a pair of like allergen free or something like that earrings. So just to give you a little background, so they have three styles. One is called minimal, wait, there's actually four, sorry. So you get to first pick your style. So you have the silly and fun. These look like cupcakes and pineapples and pom-poms and stuff like that. And then you get the minimalist but groovy. These are more like sleek earrings. They're black, silver, gold, those kind of things. Then you have the ones that are like the boho babe. They're just bohemian. Like, I don't know how else to explain them. Maybe I might try to put up some screenshots or something there. Then you have the I don't give a hoot, which basically will give you a pair of earrings from any of the three other styles that they have. They're all $3.49 a month. So you pay $3.49 a month. You get a pair of earrings for that month. So I started off with the I don't give a hoot. That's what I did. I did the month to month. But you can do a 6-month, which you will end up paying $3.33 a month instead of the $3.49 a month if you pay for all 6 months upfront. And then you can do the 12 months, which is the best value. So you get $3.17 per month if you pay for the 12 months up front. Looks like that one is $38. The 6 months is $20. And then, of course, the month to month is $3.49. I did that one because I didn't feel like paying up front at the time that I signed up. Plus, I had like I did the little, so it has where when you first go to the website, you put the email address in and it'll let you like spend something, and it'll give you like a free pair or free month or a discounted month. I got a discounted month, so my first month was discounted to like $1 and some change. And so then after you pick the, your term, then you check out and then your earrings come. So I have my February earrings here. I paid $1 and some change for this month. I did skip March because at the time I wasn't sure like if I want to get March. I probably still have time to go back in and change it back to where I don't want to skip. Depending on how I like these earrings, I might do that. I did change because I don't give a hoot for my first month. But then I was like, I don't really want the silly and fun earrings. I want stuff that I could actually wear to work and stuff. So I did go back and change it to minimalist but groovy. So the next time I get a pair, it'll be from that collection versus any collection. Okay, and so it comes like this. So it comes in like a cardboard envelope. It has like a little flap on the back that you rip and open. But once inside of here, I guess to protect the earrings, it's in the bubble mailer, and that says Earfleek. So, and then you just open it up. Okay, and let's see what we have here for the first month. Okay, so inside it comes in like this little baggie. Oh, these are pretty. Okay. Alright, and so it came with like the little price tag for it, which this is saying that these earrings cost $15.99 US. So this is like the little barcode. So I got a pair of $15.99 earrings for $1 and some change, or if you pay monthly or you paid like the regular price for $3.49. Okay, and then also in here it comes with the, okay, so Oh, that's neat. So what this is they gave a gift card here. So it says give a free month, get a free year. So gift cards cannot be redeemed by existing members. Okay, so you get a free year when five friends stay for 12 months. So I don't know what this is. I guess this is a gift card to give out like a free month. I don't really know. That's kind of strange. Let me see. I'm trying to open it so I can see what's going on here. Yeah. Yep. It says free pair of earrings includes free shipping. So I guess I can give this to someone and they can get a month free. But anyways, so oh yeah, it was free shipping. I didn't pay anything for shipping. So literally I paid $1 and some change, and that was that. All right, so here's what the earrings look like. They have like this little thing holding them together. They're flowers. Yeah, that's what they look like on the ends. Like they look like little flowers here. My camera's not picking up on them well. So yeah, they look like little flowers. Well, these are kind of cute. Not really my style because I'm more of the edgy type. Also afraid I'm not going to be able to get these in my ear. Oh, I can't get them out of this little tubey thing. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right, so I'm going to try to put these in. I don't wear earrings often. I had tried to start wearing studs, but then like the back of my stud fell off one time and I had lost it, and I was supposed to be getting another one from my dad, but I never went and got it. And so now I don't have earrings, so I'm back to no earrings. Okay, so we're gonna pull this behind my ear so you can see the earrings. Oh, okay. I feel like that's in there weirdly. Okay. Like, why is it sticking out like this? Okay, and then I'm just gonna try to pull the other one. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner. I'm hungry. Kind of want a Chick-fil-A salad, but I like their Cobb salads. Oh, that might be why it's sticking out, because I bent it. Okay, this is really hard to get off. And I don't know if it's because of my nails or if it's just like that hard to get off. Okay, so there we go. But you see when I did that, I bent the earring. So now I'm going to try to push it back in there. All right, so let's see how that turns out. Okay, so there we go. They're both sticking out, but like, I don't know if that's because of the way because I bent it, probably. Okay, because yep, that's what it's feeling like. Okay, I can't see. I didn't bring my mirror. Okay, yeah, so they're definitely bent. So yeah, I don't think they're supposed to be like that. I think they should be hanging down like this. But then when you see, if I pull it down to where they're hanging down, it's not all the way in my ear. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, it's not all the way in my ear when I do it that way. So that makes me feel like they could fall out at any moment. But, you know, they're not bad. They're not, like I said, they're not my type necessarily. I think these may have been part of the Boho Babe collection. They seem a little bit more bohemian than anything to me. Let me see if I can find that here. 1 second. I'm going to sign into my account and maybe that'll tell me. Okay, so this is interesting. So it does appear here that if you sign up for this service, you're gonna have to create an account, obviously. They do have here, they have a shipment history, which is showing the earrings that they shipped to me. So if that, like, if you wanted it to be a surprise, then you probably shouldn't check that, which I didn't, so it was, you know. But it doesn't tell me which style this is in. Oh, on the website it says $12.99. The little thing said $15.99. Anyways, you can buy these on the website for $12.99. So I guess you can buy like any of the earrings that they have in the thing for a price. Excuse me. Oh, and then they have, like, once you sign up, they have a game kind of like Tinder where you can, it'll show you like a picture of some earrings. You can swipe left if you don't like it, right if you do. I did swipe right for these, saying that they were out of style for me, but I also played the game after they shipped. So no, I didn't. I played the game before they shipped because I signed up for this in January. These shipped February 5th. So also the other thing about this that I just remembered is they told me that if I signed up before the cutoff date, I would get January's earrings mailed to me. I signed up before the cutoff date. I did not get earrings for January. I got the first one for February. So I don't know what happened there. And then, like I said, I swiped out of style for these, that these weren't something that I would be interested in. I still got them, so take that how you will. And we'll just see what happens on the next pair of earrings that I get, which I'm about to go see if I can undo it, just so I can see if I can get the March pair. If not, then I'll just get them for April. So, but yes, so this has been my Earfleek unboxing video. If you enjoyed the video, I do have a few more unboxing videos coming up. I'm probably gonna do these more often than I do makeup, just because recently I just have been struggling with my makeup and like finding the joy in doing it again. So I'm working on that, but until then, just so I can keep giving you guys content, I'm gonna give you unboxings. So bye.